So today I want to show you a quick, easy and free way to set up your business plan. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new and we're meeting for the very first time, my name is Busola, and on this channel I talk about business, tech for business and lifestyle, just like this one. Do consider subscribing and liking this video, and again hit the notification bell so that you're aware anytime I post a video. So to get started, go over to asana.com, set up your account and log in and follow along. Okay guys, so the first thing that you do is head on over to asana.com and set up your account. Right now I have my account all set up, and you could see my business plan template here and my YouTube content planner. And again, remember that you could set up your account for free on Asana. I use the free account, and you could always upgrade later if you want, but I find that the free version does exactly what I want, and I'm good with that. So once you set up your account, you head on over to my workspace, click on that, and then you click on new project, and then you click on use a template, which allows you to choose a template from the library. And you can see a whole lot of templates that are available for you right here. If you scroll down, you have meeting agenda, starting a business checklist, new employee onboarding, and so much more that you could do on there. So you click on business plan. Here we are. And another thing with Asana is that, and I've said this in other videos as well, in the free version you could add 2 other people to your profile, to your team, so your team can make up 3 people including yourself. So here we are, and then you click on use template. Then you could give your business plan template a name. Let's call it you could call it whatever works for you, the name of your company, your name, and then you create project. And this is where, if you have your team, click on this one so that everybody on your team could see it. But if it's for only you, then you click on this one. But for me, it doesn't really matter because I'm the only person on my team, so I leave that there. And you click on create project, and here you have it, guys. You have your business plan template ready for use. But I find you have your team, you want to assign tasks, you could go ahead and do that. But so you have different viewing options right here. But I find that the Kanban board, or if you prefer the list option, where you could see all of the templates as a list, if that works best for you, then no problem at all. But if you prefer the Kanban board system, and here we are. So I could just click on this so that I could see a little bit more, and here you have it, guys. This is your business plan template. So you could go on filling this in. Instructions about using the template, company description. So what you just need to do at this point is to fill it in. Let's say, for instance, I want to start with the executive summary. I just click on this, and then it gives you subtasks. It shows you exactly what you need to do. Products and services. It's really, really easy, guys. It's really set up so that you could have a lot of control, a lot of clarity when you are planning out your business plan. SWOT analysis, and this means strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. Target market research, brand positioning, And then you have your management and organization. You have the founders, the executive team, board of directors, financial plan. Everything is there in detail. So all you have to do is click on each item to fill it in, so that at the end of the day you will have a comprehensive business plan for you to work with. So easy to set up, guys. Super duper easy to set up. So this is how you can use Asana for your business plan strategy. If you found this video helpful, useful, and of value, do consider liking and subscribing, and again hit the notification bell. And again, you can also share this video. And till we meet again, my name is Busola. Toodles.